क्या ऋषभ, क्या दिल है शलर ठीक ठाक?
सर ठीक सर.
सॉरी ठीक पड़ी. तुम लेसन क्यों रोज?
Betim lesson bos karan practice bu human bos practice karan I informed my mother. मैं अपनी mother को बोला कि ऐसे ऐसे she came back
माज
from Jammu.
माज
Yes,
माज से.
yes. बस अच्छा था. It's nice. And they are really surprised that I'm practicing. And I'm surprised that I have joined this class because I never thought there will be a class जहाँ पे
अच्छा.
Kashmiri will be taught to me. So
गुड गुड. ऐसा कुछ नहीं, सब अच्छा हो जाता है भाई. क्या दिल है मतलब जनरली लास्ट लेसन थोड़ा was थोड़ा डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द
hmm.
यूजुअल लेसन, सो दैट मतलब हाउ यू फेल्ट इट, दैट्स व्हाई आई वाज टेलिंग.
No,
क्यों
it's
स्लो
really nice
चला?
because now we are building like what we have learned. Now we are building the sentences, so it's nice.
ठीक है. मतलब कुछ कहीं डिफिकल्टी आ रही है, दैट्स मोर इम्पोर्टेंट टू मी.
नहीं ऐसे तो
इट्स
नहीं,
ओके.
as such नहीं.
अजीत जी, आपका कैसा लग रहा है? नमस्कार.
सर जय हिंद.
जय हिंद जी.
सर आई एम क्वाइट कंफर्टेबल. बस थोड़ा सा ये है कि कमिटमेंट थोड़ा सा लो हो जा रहा है. सो कोशिश कर रहा हूँ सर मैं प्रैक्टिस करने की पूरी अपनी तरफ से. आई हैव ऑलमोस्ट डन अप विद प्रिपरेशन ऑफ माय कंप्लीट नोट्स. सो आई एम फीलिंग कंफर्टेबल मच बेटर.
कोई बात
हाउएवर
नहीं.
टू डिवोट माय सेल्फ मोर.
Time Khatar Maharaj was created. I will give you a call once in a while. May send a message how it is going on. So I think that will act as a prompt for you.
सर
ठीक है.
थैंक यू सो मच सर.
Now that I am little better, I can move my hand little better. So we can do something.
थैंक यू सो मच सर.
Vatsal Divya, वीडियो ऑन कर. वत्सल, दिव्या, तुझे भोजन. दिव्या, वत्सल. चलो, उनका भी कोई ज्वाइन नहीं किया तो लेट्स सी. ओके. बट जनरली जो हमने लास्ट टाइम किया लेसन, आपने ट्राई किया वो सेंटेंसेस कुछ बोलना? अजय जी.
सर मैं थोड़ा सा नहीं कर पाया इस बार का फॉलो, बट मैं आज उसको करूंगा. टुडे
चलो
आई
ठीक.
टाइम, बट मैं लास्ट वीक बहुत ज्यादा कमिटेड हो गया था तो मैं नहीं कर पाया.
ठीक है ठीक है.
जी
एक्चुअली क्या है कि अभी नाउ दैट आपने वो सीख लिया है कैसे स्पीक करना है, राइटिंग जो पढ़ना कैसे है,
जी
तो नाउ इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट दैट यू प्रैक्टिस.
जी सर.
तो आपका वो पेयर ग्रुप कैसा चल रहा है? यू आर पार्ट ऑफ सम पेयर ग्रुप?
सर आई एम सर. हमारा वो आगे नहीं बढ़ पाया. फिफ्थ एक्चुअली फोर्थ लेसन तक तो आई हैव सबमिटेड माय इवन होमवर्क वेरी वेल. बट फिफ्थ लेसन का वो पीयर ग्रुप में हमारा कोऑर्डिनेशन नहीं हो पाया टाइमिंग्स की वजह से. तो उसके बाद मेरा वो फिफ्थ का भी होमवर्क रह गया एंड सिक्स क्लास का भी रह गया. बट टुडे आई हैव डिसाइडेड आई विल कंप्लीट माय सिक्स क्लास होमवर्क. एंड फिफ्थ क्लास का मैं अपना एक वीडियो बनाकर भेज दूंगा ऑफ माय कम्युनिकेशन,
ठीक.
कुछ एक करके. जी
नमस्कार मास्टर जी. नमस्कार सारनी.
नमस्कार पारुल जी.
नहीं तो बाद में मुश्किल हो जाएगी क्योंकि पीछे का होगा फिर. नमस्कार महाराज सीमा जी.
नमस्कार.
नमस्कार. क्या हमारा क्या दिल है चलो खुद वो लेसन नंबर लेसन क्यों चला है?
पखान छुमारा ठीक पैट काम छुपा रहे आप बट enjoying it and learning.
सॉरी, मेरा शायद इंटरनेट इंटरप्ट हो गया था। हाँ सीमा जी।
हाँ जी, मारा पखान ठीक पेट काम वारिया बट बचस करान पूर कोशिश by homework करान ठीक पेट टाइमस पेट so
bhus छस काम करान, bhus छस काम करान, वनी मारा तो सीमा जी।
बचस काम करान मारा
हाँ बस बस, वेरी गुड वेरी गुड। काम वोन ना तय बिकॉज यह जरूरी सुन अर्धचंद्र तो आ
हाँ जी
तो
काम
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 तम साथ विल वेट फॉर कपल ऑफ मिनट्स। अर्शिया
नमस्कार मारा।
कैसा चल रहा है?
वार्य वार्य असल
वारिया असल है, वेरी गुड वेरी गुड।
जी।
क्या पतिम लेसन वारिया सेंटेंस तथ मज तय करू तम
थोड़ा थोड़ा
थोड़ा थोड़ा करू तय, वेरी गुड।
जी जी।
पारुल
लोकट लोकट बोलना चाहिए था एक्चुअली मुझे।
लॉकट लॉकट।
जी।
मधु जी
हाँ जी।
क्यों कैसा रहा लेसन पुराना, किस रोज लेसन पचम शेम
ठीक
लेसन
ठीक
किस रोज
ठीक छो चलान।
दीक्षा चलन तो क्या क्या
जी।
कुछ सेंटेंस रोज होता है याद मेरा?
आज
नहीं, लास्ट लास्ट लेसन में से कौन सा सेंटेंस याद?
लास्ट लेसन में से
हाँ
uh,
एक सेंटेंस काफी चल।
I can't
तो
remember anything right now.
वो क्या हो जाता है बेस्ट थिंग टू रिमेम्बर इज दैट हिंदी या इंग्लिश में वो सेंटेंस याद रखो एंड देन यू विल बी एबल टू कनेक्ट क्विकली बिकॉज वह ना थोड़ा टाइम लगान कशर पे कत कर। तो इसलिए यह चीज़ पता नहीं ये सबके लिए है, फॉर एवरीबडी आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू वन थिंग इज इम्पोर्टेंट कि ये परान कुछ साथ अगर तुम आई डोंट नो हाउ यू रिमेंबर ये ना तुम पानस पानस मनस मन कत कर या भगवान कत कर तम सात रोजान कथ पे बह कत कर हिंदी मज कर इंग्लिश मज कर कशरस मज कर so that becomes the natural language for you for your understanding
जी।
so तम सात अत जबरदस्ती कशर कर ब्रोट कुन थोड़ा सा आग लेसन गन बिकॉज माई हैंड वाज नॉट वर्किंग वेल तो हेचो कह चीज जन लेसनस मज पे जन वन तो वारे मतलब हाउ आर यू ठीक पे तो उस तरीके से कुछ सेंटेंस हम करेंगे या वी ब्लेस पीपल जनरली कश्मीरी में थैंक यू नहीं बोलते हैं जनरली वी डोंट से थैंक यू टू एनीबॉडी वी ऑलवेज इन रिटर्न वी से ब्लेसिंग्स टू देम orzu if somebody say you want to thank somebody orzu means have a great health okay so we have a different way of narrating the same thing तो हमको अपने तरीके से सीखना है तो वो सोच के ऐसा करना है तो certain things वो दिमाग में लानी है हम सवेरे प्रेयर करते हैं तो भगवान से मांगना है और जुदियम so give me good health so I think that's one way of remembering that sentence also and also praying also so इथिल पे करो जुतो sentence करो broad करना so you can try that is one way of doing ठीक
जी जी।
so I think we are 10 o'clock it's already there let's start with Ishan.
Yes,
How
sir.
about you saying the prayer today?
Sure, sir, sure. Okay. Om Namami Tvam Sharda Devi Mahabhagi Bhagavati Kashmir Purvasini Vidya Daini Rakshamam Namami Tvam.
You have missed one thing हर एक
What,
में
sir?
देवीम करके है
देवीम, okay.
बाकीम है ऊपर में डॉट है ना तो म
हाँ जी,
का आवाज आता है कोई बात
सर,
नहीं
वो हिंदी
नेक्स्ट
मेरी
टाइम
थोड़ी कमजोर है तो इसलिए मुझे वो
कोई
डॉट का
कोई बात नहीं
Yeah.
Okay, go to the next. And let us hear Ajit ji, is Lalawak from Ajit ji today. Parimana Ajit ji.
सर आमीपन सदरस नाविछस लमान कते बोझे दे मेयोन में ती दे तार आमेन टाक्यन पुण्य जन शमान जुव छुम ब्रमान गुर कुछ
Gatsa.
कच
So one thing, Ishan, just note this point. ये जो पोय है ना, इसमें हलंत नहीं होना चाहिए, इसमें य के नीचे ये लाइन नहीं चाहिए. It's a mistake, so we should be able to correct it. So just note down जब शिवानी को थोड़ा कन्वे करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है?
ठीक है सर.
Okay, let's go to the next part of the lesson. नीचे चलिए. Ishan,
Thank
next
you, sir.
page. Next page. Let's
Next.
go down.
Is it visible, sir? Moving?
Yeah, no, it is not moving. I just I'm not able to see. So it is.
It is moving for us. हमें
It
तो
is
दिखाई
moving.
दे रहा. जी जी
Okay.
हमें दिखाया. ईशान
okay.
इनफैक्ट आगे चले गए हैं मतलब
हाँ.
Okay.
थर्ड फोर्थ.
Okay. I will do one thing.
हाँ.
I think my internet is having some issue. I will do one thing. I will use my lesson on my tape.
Okay, sir.
It doesn't matter. I will do something. So just give me a minute. Okay. What we have, lesson number 7. We have 1 minute, just 1 minute. Lesson number 7. Yes.
So do
We'll
do
start.
we want to start from the lesson 7 or you want to start with the revision first? Or
No, actually, there is a revision in lesson 7 from starting. There is a revision.
okay.
We'll go through this. If there is something more, फिर हम आगे जाएंगे. ठीक है? This is a revision itself. Okay.
Okay, sir. Is it visible
Okay,
for
sure.
all?
1 minute. Just a minute. I will just go back. Yeah, now I can see it.
Okay.
Okay. So first sentence जो अमीन कामिल जी ने लिखा है, he says about Kashmiri, कशिर सूतन, कशिर सरी, कशीर, it should be कशीर, कशीर सूतन, कशिर सरी, नत कशिरिस होना चाहिए, कशिर सूतन, कशिर सरी, नत वरानिक हरान का. Meaning that what it means that basically we are all Kashmiris and our language is Kashmiri, and if language is lost, we are like lost crows in the desert. This is just the poetry which has written. Literal meaning is this. That means basically that कि हमारे roots के साथ it's always important that we know our mother tongue, and especially for Kashmiris. For others who are not, who don't have this mother tongue, but then also it makes sense that we should be connected to our roots. So that इसका मतलब ये है, and we should learn our language. Okay, which our language? If he is a Marathi, he should know Marathi must. He should know other languages also, but basically mother tongue is important. Okay, let's go to the revision of vocabulary 2. As I said last time, these words should be actually to do. Do is karing. To do is karun. To do. Actually, again, you remember Ishan, we need to talk to Shivani ji to correct this, okay? To do is karun. To work is term, karing. Again, I should be superscript here. There's a mistake here. To sit is bihun. To stand is thod vathun. Thod vathun. Okay, Ishan, I would suggest that you take the participants list and let each one of them say the one line itself. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay. Um,
You start with Arshia.
yeah, Arshia ji.
Do Karun work काम करें
To
to
do,
do बोलूं
Karun.
कि
To do है.
to do बोलूं
To do बोल दीजिए आप.
ठीक
That
है
is better.
to do Karun to work काम करें to sit behun to stand thod wathun
Very good. Very good. Come correct. First time we were not very clear. Next time, second time it was very clear. Come correct. Very good. Excellent. Next.
Ajit ji.
To go, Gatsun. To come, Yun. To sleep, Shravgun. To eat, Khyon. To drink, Chyon. To chew, Sapun.
Only sleep. Shangun. Shangun, not Shangun. Shangun. It is sh and ver. It is sh and ver. Okay.
Shongun.
Shangun. Very good. Excellent. Next.
Seema ji.
To walk, pakun, run, dorun, jump, what tulun, to cook, ranun, to clean, saaf karun, to sweep, dovun.
Dover. Very good. Next. Perfect. Ishan, next.
Vani Devraj ji.
Can you move it?
नहीं
Is it-
ऊपर चला गया. ऊपर चला गया.
ये
एक
हो
और
गया
line.
सर.
ये हो
नहीं
गया
हाँ
ये
ये
हो
हो गया. ओके 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 नेक्स्ट.
ये वाला.
हाँ.
To enter, Atsun, to leave, Nerun, to fly, Udun, close, Band Karun, to open, Holun.
Ishan, here also there's a mistake. It should be you with a right. It should be like this. Karun. Same you should be here. So both places that you is not correct. Wudun.
Wooden.
Like Wudun mein you both should be like what it is in Karun.
अच्छा,
You
okay,
you
sir.
should be with us first. Okay, just keep it there so we correct. Okay. Very good, Vani. Next.
Vanchika ji. Vanchika ji.
हाँ जी
हाँ.
मैं ऑडिबल
Yes.
ये वो थोड़ा सा लैग हो रहा था मेरे को वो क्लोज का बोलना है राइट
आपको मैम ये वाला बोला ये रीड राइट
अच्छा
ड्राइव
सॉरी
ब्रिंग या
सॉरी हाँ तो रीड का मैं बोलूंगी अभी पारुन लेखुन चलावन अनन छलुन बगरावन
Burgrav.
बगरावन
Very,
हाँ जी
very good. Very good. Excellent.
उमेश जी.
Namaskar. To print is
Namaskar.
sapun. To swim is sant wide. To bath is or to bathe is shan karun. To ride is savar karai.
Thank you, Mara. Perfect.
मधु जी.
या ये यहाँ से बोलना है ना कट से
Yes ma'am.
okay to cut there are two to tear is satun to cut is katravun to peel is dyal tulun to hold is ratun and when you hold I mean usually for hand holding you use thaf karin.
Thank you. Thank you. Perfect, Madhuji. Very good. Let's go to the next.
Plaksha call.
Next sentence पढ़ो.
हाँ जी
थोड़ा ऊपर कर देना. बस हाँ. Okay, Plaksha.
From cut, right?
नहीं. Next. अभी lesson repeating sentences.
Acha. Come here is while you're
Huge,
you.
Plaksha.
Come here
Yur.
is wala your.
हाँ यूरी यूरी यूर नहीं य उ र नहीं खाली र और य है यूर वेरी गुड
Yuri.
यूर वेरी गुड
मुरुकेश जी
आप दूसरा भी पढ़ने दो इनको दूसरा भी
अच्छा
पढ़ने दो लक्षा दूसरा भी पढ़ो
Go there is Torgach. Torgach.
वेरी गुड नेक्स्ट वेरी गुड एक्सलेंट लक्षा
Sir, should
मुरुके
it Thor guts?
Torgas means go there. Thor means
Sir, gach या
guts.
gut?
Guts.
Yeah.
Ch with the dot. Guts.
Yes, gut.
उमेश जी तो हमारे क्या था
एक सेकंड ये वाले यूर वनान पत अच्छा ना ये वनान यूर की
हाँ तीच वनान यूर ये तीच वनान वाला यूर तीच वनान come
अच्छा
here
टेंट
वाला यूर नंबर ना किंच it is
अच्छा
different way of saying the same thing same
okay.
shall we continue sir
हाँ please
अच्छा मुरुकेश जी
Sit down is pathar bye
सेम वे मुर्केश जी
and
जैसे अभी उमेश जी ने बोला ना पत्थर वे या बेह पत्थर both are
bye
used
pathar.
बेह पत्थर तीच वनान बेह means sit and pathar means down but generally pathar वे is more appropriate but both are spoken go ahead
Stand up is thod
what very good excellent next student
Vatsal and Divya
Vatsal Divya Vatsal
Sir,
Vatsal तुझको लोग बना नहीं किया है
sir,
हाँ पार ये eat food drink water ये दशवें चीज पार्स eat food
eat food, batche,
Mhm.
drink water, reche.
Very good, excellent. कच्छे दिव्यांशी कच्छे
Yes, sir.
दिव्यांशी next part next the sentence
On
open
the
the book
book, Kitab, Husrab,
very good
and Kitab, Par.
very good very good very good next Ishan
next is
your turn we didn't give you any turn so you can also speak
okay go sleep guts shong go up horgas
Here
here sorry horgas
here khas not
oh
khas
oh
kh is kha
हाँ
here
Here.
khas
come down bonvas
बस बाकी
अच्छा,
को देने
बाकी ठीक है सर ओके श्रू
और कौन बचा है
श्रू जी
Yes.
हाँ जी
Open the window. Dhar mutsrao.
थोड़ा ऊपर कर देना
Close the door. Bar kar band.
पहला वाला श्रू जी दर मुसरा दर
Dhar
मुसरा
mutsrao.
मुसरा वेरी गुड एक्सीलेंट नेक्स्ट
ऑल डन सर
पारुल ने बोला क्या मेरे को नहीं लगता पारुल ने बोला
पारुल जी
No, sir.
नहीं बोला हाँ अच्छा इन्होंने स्टार्टिंग में
कोई बात नहीं
सो सॉरी
कोई बात नहीं पारुल जी को अब देते बोलिए
Yes.
switch on the light
Close the door.
hmm.
Okay. Switch on the light. Go bijli zaal.
Okay,
Switch
go
off
next.
the fan. Go pankh kar band.
Very good, very good, excellent.
Sir.
अपूर्वा हाँ
Sir.
बोलिए पारुल
Sir, gav और गई कब use होता है? Like when I was reciting the story, they used both the words. If it is with bore means bror, then they have used bror, gai, cat. And if it's normal, like kokur or something
Then,
male like thing, so they have used gav.
generally gai is with female, okay, and
Gav.
gav with male. So gav,
Okay.
sagai.
Okay.
Ajit ji gav, Parul ji gai. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Apurva, I think Apurva is also,
Yes,
yes, fully.
yeah. Switch off the fan. Pank kar band. Lay the carpet. Kaleen bharav. Give me water. Medi point tresh.
Yes, that's all, just one thing.
Okay.
यहाँ पर ये बहुत बताना जरूरी है कि give me water literally means give me major point, but when we ask for drinking, for water for drinking, that time we use thresh. So it is not basically replaceable, but this word is water is only point or ab, but when we use when you tell somebody to give me water, sometimes it is for washing hands, then it is give me water. If it is for drinking water, that time is give me meditresh. Okay, so that means he will give you the water which is which you can drink. Okay, well, next.
So as per the attendance, I think everybody is done. Like, has I
Start
left
again.
someone?
Start again. Start
ठीक
again. If
है,
anybody
ठीक
is left, please raise your hand. Huh?
है. Arshia ji.
I ate food, make kyav bat, sit on the chair, kursi pyat be, give me a rupee. Acha, sorry.
Well,
Okay.
कोई बात नहीं. No
दो,
problem.
दो.
No problem. No problem. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Give me a rupee, me de ak rupe.
Me de
Me
me de आख रुपए. अभी पैसे की
रुपए.
बात थी, इसलिए मैंने बोला आप ही बोल दो. अभी आपको चाहिए तो चलो ठीक है. Let's have some fun. Okay,
Ajit ji.
next.
Go to the market. Bazar guts.
Very good. Your guts is now coming properly, Ajit ji. Congratulations.
Sir, I am very, very happy.
You're doing very well. Next sentence. You speak next sentence also.
Roger, sir. Sir, listen to me. It's Myan kat bose.
Myn kat bose. Myn kat
kat
bose. Bose.
Bose. Bose.
Listen to me. Listen. Bose means listen. Listen. Okay, next.
Seema ji.
Run fast, तेज दौड़, come back, वापस फेर.
सीमा जी, आपका जो प्रोनाउंसिएशन है एकदम परफेक्ट आता है जब आप पढ़ती हैं. Yelzen to panechu one sentence. Tamsat kya shun you tak clear you are.
Okay.
You are perfect when you read. That means actually this is what I was telling everybody. If you start reading from how it is pronounced, then your diction becomes very good. जैसे मुरकेश जी हैं, अजीत जी, जिन्होंने कश्मीरी सीखी सुनी नहीं है, उनके लिए भी इजी है. चलिए आगे चलते हैं.
अच्छा. Vani Devraj ji.
Sorry, where
In this last sentence, yeah.
wear clothes, palav lag.
And come back also is I think missed. I think.
Oh,
Come
sorry.
back.
Come back, वापस फेर.
Very good. Chalo, next. Very good. Okay, now we start today's lesson. Yes. Anybody?
Sir, in last class, like wear new clothes, you have also mentioned now, Palav, sun. Is it okay?
Sun also. Sun means wear. Sunun. To
Sun
wear.
or sun?
Sunun.
Okay.
To wear is sunun. Wear
Okay.
is sun. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, let's go to the new lesson today. Basically, today there are new words. I will read them first and I will ask you to repeat after me after the first line is over. Okay? After all 7 days are over. Monday. Chandravar, Chandravar, Chandravar. Tuesday, Bomvar, Bomvar. Wednesday, Bodhvar, Bodhvar. Thursday, Brasvar, Brasvar. Friday, Shukravar. Muslims also call it in Kashmir Juma, Juma. Saturday, Batwar, Saturday, Batwar. Sunday, Atwar. Now, for some reason, Masterji is generally very apt in making the lesson. छुट्टी भी उन्होंने एक दिन रखा है इसके लिए. छुट्टी, holiday is छुट्टी. Okay, holiday is छुट्टी. I will read once again, then you repeat after me. Monday, Chandravar. Please unmute yourself and repeat. Monday, Chandravar.
Chandravar.
Sir, एक सेकंड, सॉरी कैन आई इंटरप्ट? ये च के
Yeah.
नीचे बिंदी है,
हाँ
बिंदी
जी, हाँ
रखी
जी.
है,
हाँ, च, इसीलिए च है.
स है ना?
इसीलिए च है.
थैंक यू.
Yes. Chandravar. Actually, it is not
Chan-
Chandravar, it is not Chandravar, it is Chandravar. So remember this very clearly. There are people who use other way also, but basic word is Chandravar. Okay?
Chandravar.
Yes. Tuesday,
Chandra.
Bomvar.
Bombar.
Bombar.
Wednesday, Bodhvar.
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 Thursday, Brasvar.
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 Friday, Shukravar.
Shukrawar.
शुक्रवार.
Or as I said,
Juma.
also Juma. Also Juma. Okay. Saturday, Batwar.
पटवार.
पटवार.
मुर्केश जी की आवाज नहीं सुन रही. Saturday,
Master ji.
Batwar.
बटवार.
Patwa.
पटवार.
Okay. Sunday, Atwar.
Athar.
Atwar.
Okay. So basically, day, if you see, day follows var. Day is var. So everywhere you see the Chandravar, Bomvar, day, the last three letters of the word, day is var actually. So generally for your understanding. Okay. Chutti is chutti. Holiday is chutti. Okay. Let's go to the next lesson. ये हम में से किसी ने एक दिन पूछा था कि गिनती भी सिखाएंगे क्या, तो आई थिंक वी हैव स्टार्टेड आवर counting also today. So 1 ak, 1 ak, 2 z, z, 3 tre, tre, 4 tor, tor, 5 panch, panch, 6 she, she, 7 sat, sat, 8 ert, ert, 9 now, now, 10 the, or even Muslims call it da, 10 the or da, 11 ka, 12 ba, 13 truwa, truwa. Let's go down. 14 Chaudah, 15 Panda, Panda, 16 Shura, Shura, 17 Sada, Sada, 18 Arda, Arda, 19 Kunwu, Kunwu, 20 Wu, 21 Akwu, 22 Zutowu, Zutowu, 23 Trowu, Trowu, 24 Sowu, Sowu, 25 पंच पंच. Let's go to the beginning of this lesson number, Ashish. I'll say once and please repeat after me. Unmute yourself. तो फिर हम सुनेंगे आपको. 1 ak,
Ak.
2 z,
Z.
Z.
3 tre,
Tre.
Tre.
4 sor,
Sor.
Or.
Door.
5 panch,
Panch.
Paanch.
6 she,
She.
She.
Che.
7 sat,
Sat.
Sat.
8 ert,
Ert.
Or.
Ot.
9 now,
Now.
No.
No.
10 the,
The.
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 10 da,
Da.
Da.
11 ka,
Ka.
Ka.
12 ba,
Ba.
Ba.
13 trua,
Truva.
Truva.
next 14 ईशान थोड़ा मूव कर दो इसको. ईशान move the page
Sir,
down.
Sir Parulji has a question right now.
Yeah, sure. Parul ji बोलिए.
Sir. Sir. 5 Paanch. So Panchim is also same.
Punchim is fifth. Panch is 5.
Hello.
Punchim is fifth.
Okay.
Punchim is
And
fifth.
Him also 8th.
8th, yes. And Earth is Earth. 8th is 8th. Okay, Earthim means 8th. Very good. 14. थोड़ा ऊपर कर. 14. 15. Panda. 16. Shura.
Shura.
17. Sada. 18. Arda. 19. Kunvu. 20. Wu. 21. Akvu. 22. Zutovu. 23. Trovu. 24. Sovu. 25. Punch. Please, for Ishan, remember where it is TS, where it is TSH. So आपके लिए और बाकी के लिए भी इसमें जो important thing है कि वो जो हम ओ और ओ बहुत जैसे 14 चौवु तो remember that this is सर्पाकार का ऊपर में लाइन है. Remember that. That's very important. Okay.
Yes, sir.
चलिए next. So PDF of this lesson is already placed on the group, so there is nothing much there. Next, go down. This is your sorry. Go up. The code is show them the code because today Shivani is not there. So this is the Google Classroom code. Now by now I think सभी को पता चल गया कि PDF में दिया है. Go next. I want today Umesh ji. तो एक हमारा वही था.
हमारा
थोड़ा बोर्ड पांग करे तो ईशान इसको थोड़ा बड़ा कर देना बेटा.
हाँ उमेश जी तो इशू हिंदी मन परान की रोमन मन
हिंदी
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ हमारा 1 second.
थोड़ा ये इशू ना साइडों की है क्यों करे थे
हाँ सर।
ये तो छुना, ये एरो, ये एरो नहीं है, ये आपके माउस के साइड में एक एरो है छोटा सा, ये
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 ना?
हाँ
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 हाँ सर, डेफिनेटली सर।
हाँ, थैंक यू।
Is it visible now?
हाँ go ना,
You could go.
तय करे करे
बस slowly, don't worry, don't. Now it's Omeshi, Venimara.
ओके। Rain gai malion purit shirit manis berthas beilaj har kuta bay ko akharak wal be panas khyawat war.
Omeshi, तय छो ये याद किन तय पोर हुई है?
Por
तय
अगर
पोर
याद
नहीं
आसम तो रुको ना।
नहीं तेल छ नहीं, I am happy because क्या छ अच्छी क्या चीज़ ना कशर छ ऐसे हिचमुत अच्छी तमिल से important thing क्या छुस ये बार बार पढ़नावन युद्ध जन ऐसे तेरे सारी जन vowels छ कित पर छ लेखान कित पर छ पढ़ान तम खतर छ important. Rain गई माल गई, I am making it a little more sort of pronounced for everything. Rain गई मालन pūrit šīrit mienis bātas beilaj har kūtā bari koh akharak wala behpanas khyawat. Okay. Anybody has any questions on this lesson? Otherwise, we'll then close the lesson. Then we can talk for time sometime.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, sure. Go ahead.
जैसे हमने बोला ना कि ज बोला ना हमने,
हाँ
ज बोला। अब जैसे हम बोलते हैं दोए,
टू
वो क्या होता है सर? दोए और ज में क्या कब यूज होता है?
तो he is you.
नहीं
Z
तो
is two.
तो ही नहीं, जैसे ज जरा क्या कहते हैं, दोए
Are you asking
दोए हाँ दोए।
दोए गो तिथि, ये शिवनान इस पर जैसे हम लोग पंचांग में तिथि पढ़ते हैं ना, तो दो जो जैसे कैलेंडर में प्रथम तिथि है द्वाई अश्वरा तात्पर्य अगदो द्वाई त्राय चोर, दैट इज द डे, दैट इज द पंचांग में जब पढ़ते हैं ना. अच्छा, आई अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट यू आर ट्राइंग टू से. सो देयर इट इज तिथि ऑफ एज पर पंचांग ताचिस पर इत पेटर्न ओकदो जो फर्स्ट डेट होता है 15 डेज का, जो 15 दिन में हमारा डेज चेंज हो जाते हैं ल्यूनर कैलेंडर में.
हाँ
तो फर्स्ट को ओकदो, दोइम को द्वाई, त्रीम को त्राय, चूरिम को चोरम, पूंचम को पांचम, सिक्स को शेयम, सतम को सतम, एठम को आठम, नाइन्थ को नवम, 10th को दहम, काह को ओकदो, बाह को बश दो, त्रुवश, 14, तो पुनिम या मावस, दो में से अगर फुल मून होगा तो मावस होगा, और ब्लैक मून ये कम मून होगा तो अमावस होगा तो मावस. ठीक है
सर. उमेश जी, आप कुछ कह रहे थे इन?
हाँ, अगर इसको अगर इट्स कॉल्ड ऑर्डिनल एंड कार्डिनल नंबर्स, लाइक ऑर्डिनल आपका हो गया आक्स त्रेस और 1 2 3 4, और द्वयम होता है मतलब जब आपको पोजीशन बतानी होती है, लाइक जैसे
सेकंड
सेकंड. हाँ, द्वयम दो. तो अगर आपको मतलब द्वयम शुर, तो तब आप दो वाला यूज करते हैं.
ठीक है, थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू कुलदीप जी.
Okay, anybody else has any question on this lesson? किसी को कंच तो नहीं किया फिक्री, please. I think today, Shru, you have joined first time, or you have abbreviated your name?
No, sir, it's me, Shruti. I've abbreviated, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
I was just wondering. Okay, can we have all the videos on? My network is holding for some time. I hope everything is okay. When you anybody has anything about their own lesson or prone, पिछले लेसन के बारे में किसी कुछ अंडरस्टैंडिंग में नहीं हो रहा है, कैचुन तरह फिक्री कैचु मुश्किल बासान या प्रोनाउंस करुन कहाँ वर्ड मुश्किल गसान तात् कित पटन वनो.
Yeah, I have a question.
Yes.
Yeah, like when we speak sentences, so first person, second person, third person में it changes. So then it becomes difficult for people like us who are not used to making sentences in Kashmiri. Like suppose in English, I'm just giving an example, like I go and he goes. So I think there is something like this in Kashmiri also. So if we are taught that, it becomes easy for us to make sentences. So will it be possible to have a class on that?
Sure. Madhuji, actually, what your little
एक second, just hold on. बंद रखो थोड़े एक बार. Sorry, जी.
हाँ, मधु जी, इसमें क्या है कि we are going through sentences, you are preempting those things. Actually, that's a part of the lesson. We will go through everything. But still, as I said, Ithwajan, हमने last time, if you remember, हमने बहुत सारे sentences पढ़े. Can you take out last lesson, Ishan, for a change?
Six वाला.
Little.
One second.
Ishan, take out the last lesson.
हाँ सर, एक मिनट.
And projected.
Last lesson, sixth lesson, right?
Like when we were making that conversation between us, or even when we do it alone, it was becoming difficult because grammatically we were making lot of mistakes.
Don't worry. As I said, Madhuji, कि basically Kashir Vanasmas, Bolnasmas, there is no structured grammar. There is some structure, but not very, very structured. As I said, Sanskrit jaise is considered the best structured language. We are not. Like even English has a lot of issues when we talk about KNO, no, and NO, no, and lot of other confusions there. So the problem is with every language has some exceptions, but Kashmiri has no very difficult grammar actually. It's not very well structured, but it is more of a, because it was always a spoken language. It was always a spoken language, so that is how it is. Jaise, go down, Ishan. Go down on the sentences part. Sentences. Leave the words.
Yes, sir.
See, we did this. We repeated this today. No, go down further. This we have. This way repeated this time. Go next. हाँ, you thought. Just sorry, give me one. See, so क्या is chuk hata kirat asan. Now, as I said last time, did you read this, Madhuji?
Ji, sir, ji. I did.
Can you tell me what it means? Because it's English में लिखा नहीं है.
It's like I will first do it in Hindi and then I'll do it in English if it's okay.
Oh, yes, perfectly. The way it is to be understood. Whatever you can say even in Hindi.
So
Hindi
is
में is
you,
good.
जी, you मतलब तुम क्या की है जोर जोर से हंस रहे हो, क्या बात है कि तुम
Kyazi is one word.
क्या की, अच्छा,
Why?
why क्या बात है कि तुम जोर जोर से हंस रहे हो?
Very good.
What is it that you are laughing so loudly?
Absolutely perfect. So kya is it? Now every language has its own way of constructing a sentence. English has one, Hindi has another. So if you write in Hindi, अगर हम हिंदी में हिंदी इसमें लिखो पत करो तत् कौशल या अंग्रेज, तो वो बराबर बैठता नहीं है. It's not one to one. Okay, it's not one to one. So same way here also, same way in Kashmiri also. So in fact, what I suggest कि तो एक तुम कैसे शायद नहीं ये प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. ये जो लेसन में पीछे में सेंटेंसेस दिए हैं ना, इससे आपको जो अभी आपने पॉइंट रेज किया ना, वो आपको धीरे धीरे दूर हो जाएगा. You'll get used to saying certain things. Okay, so that's right. Dapan ratnas kaise bana asu. Now one thing I think Kusumji, there one thing Kusumji wanted me to convey to you is there is a difference between idiom and a phrase. I think there was a particular some student might have asked for it. I don't remember. Just give me 1 minute. There was some message from her. Ratnas kaise bana asun. Now this is not literal meaning. This is an idiom. You cannot. It's not a phrase. You cannot assigned every word to its meaning. So this is very, very important for everybody to understand. I think ये शायद कुसुम जी को किसी ने पूछा होगा या जवाब दिया होगा जो भी आपने लेसन में किया होगा. So she has sent me this message that I should communicate to all of you. See, this is an idiom and it's not a phrase. Literal meaning is not possible here. Okay, it is more that how much capacity you have. That means you must have the capacity to accept something or learn something. So it's like
Mara,
okay.
आपको
How many?
यात मतलब यात you don't know to receive something you should have luck, like
Not luck, not luck. Ban asun means it is the capacity. Means somebody you tell something Sanskrit आप किसी को सिखाओगे तो उसको पता नहीं है कि संस्कृत क्या है, या you tell something philosophy to somebody which is not able to understand, that is something like that, or something you want to give some subtle meaning to somebody, so he's not able.
मैं तो गंडस लोग की ये छु यात छु मतलब कि
not luck
ना कि रटनस कैसे बान आसन मतलब you should have the capacity or the need to learn, but मैं प्रोस गैरे कि ये छा जिसमें समझो छा ठीक तो उनके ना यात मतलब छ कि रटनस खातर to receive you should have luck,
not
मतलब
luck.
context.
I think container or a vessel.
It is not luck. It is ban. Actually, literal meaning is vessel, hai, but it means that you should have that capacity to absorb something, to accept something, to learn something. It's like that. Okay. Okay. Anything else? Anybody else? मुरकेश जी, आप आज
क्या
शांत
मासी?
बैठे हैं कि क्या लगता है कि पिछले 2 लेसन याद नहीं किए हैं लगता
नहीं नहीं मासी जी, एक्चुअली पिछले 2 लेसन थोड़े हावी पड़ गए मुझ पे.
भाई, तो मैं इसीलिए बैठा हूँ ना, तो हम किस लिए बैठे हैं?
नहीं, I think what Madhu ji said is one of the reasons why I am also struggling to form sentences, क्योंकि the natural way to think is to be grammatically correct. तो
Very
वो
good
ग्रामर
question.
समझ नहीं आ रहा इजीली मुझे.
As I said, there are some issues. There are some issues in the grammar itself, but we can get over them when I batik hai, those sentences, small sentences which we said. Ishan, can you go up?
Yes, sir.
Go, no, go up means go
Okay.
down, sir. Go. I wanted to see those small sentences. Yeah, small sentences. See, best way to learn Kashmiri first is ये जो है ना छोटे sentences है ना, start with these. बस उधर. So start with small sentences. किताब पर. So it's okay. It's not very difficult. Go sleep. Shong. Gas shong. Go up. Hyur khas. Come down. Bon was. So at least you start practicing these. This improves your vocabulary as well as bon means down, hyur means up. So vocabulary also and the sentence also. You're building both of them together. So ये चीज जरूरी मैं कैसे करूँ? कशिश पर टीचर बात कर रहे हैं. One
Kuldip ji,
was when you.
Umesh ji के शायद से he had some doubt.
हाँ,
Umesh ji.
नहीं बस पाने कैसे बात कर
अच्छा.
Okay.
I have a question.
When you were
This is like when we are addressing a younger person, but I have to practice my Kashmiri with my husband who's older than me. So how will I address him? Kitab par.
Pariv.
Kitab pariyo mara.
Pariyo.
अच्छा,
Yeah.
Gasliyo Shongi
Actually,
Mara.
I will tell you one thing. Seema ji, since you're talking about your husband, Pariv is good enough. If it is your father-in-law, Pariyo Mahara, I think that would be more appropriate. Okay. Just a different. You can say Pariyo, Kitab Pariyo. That is good enough for a husband because you are more informal with your husband.
Right.
When it comes to your say father-in-law, so you will be a little more respectful. So you say Pariyo Mahara, Kitab Pariyo Mahara. So that is Mahara means with us.
Question. ये मतलब तई छो आसान close कैसे तई इतना ना छो आसान. Good bab. تۄہہِ ما چھُ تٔمِس مطلب normally وَنان مہرا یا کٲنٛسہِ یُس تۄہہِ close چھُ تۄہہِ چھِو
But
وَنان
when you
no
speak something,
I am
yeah,
not talking about going up ki matlab بہٕ چھُس وَنان as nana not as father-in-law.
no problem, no problem.
Yeah, matlab
Nee,
ییٚلہِ تۄہہِ چھُ آسان کٲنٛسہِ واریاہ close تُہۍ چھِو نا کران پَنُن from going to تُہۍ to یِتھ کٔنۍ بھگوانَس ییٚلہِ چھِ کران پوٗزا ہتا بھگوان مےٚ دِ کینٛہہ ہتا بھگوان مہرا مےٚ دِ کینٛہہ ایسے أسۍ ما چھِ یہِ وَنان.
Nee. See, this is again something that comes with the language, and not only language, it comes with even the person, the god, the deity है. मुझे धन दे दो, मुझे शहद दे दो. हम उस वक्त आप नहीं बोलते. It is something like that.
Yeah, it can nana. Yeah, it can nana kya chu karan. Isme cho nana tohi kya chu karan mahara.
नहीं. Actually, that is okay. As this is what I'm saying. जैसे मैंने सीमा जी को बोला, when you are want to be a little informal, then tohi is important.
Okay.
करियो. Car.
Okay.
Car and करियो में फर्क है. Car means to a younger one or the somebody of your age. Kariu means itself is a respect.
Okay.
Itself is with respect. Mahara is sort of decorative word plus giving a lot of respect. So that's perfectly all right. What you are saying, but इसमें भी बहुत फर्क है. Car, we cannot say nanas. Car par kitab. No, that's impolite. That's not done. That's not done. Okay. Kariu mara, pariu. You may not say mahara. That's okay. जैसे मैंने सीमा जी को बोला, husband के साथ वो इस तरीके से बोल सकती हैं. But if she still wants to be more respectful, mahara is nothing wrong with saying mahara. Absolutely perfect. That's not something that we should not use mahara. Mahara is definitely something. Whenever. Sure.
مےٚ چھُ مطلب ییٚلہِ بہٕ اوسُس مےٚ تہِ ہیوٚچھ کٲشُر ییٚلہِ بہٕ اوسُس گژھان لوٗکن مطلب ییٚلہِ جوٚم اوسُس گژھان بہٕ اوسُس مہرا یوٗز کران تہٕ لوٗکھ ٲسۍ ایکچُؤلی گژھان اوفینڈِڈ تِم ٲسۍ وَنان کہِ مہرا چھِ تیٚلہِ یوٗز کران ییٚلہِ either relation is تُہۍ چھِو نہٕ تٔمِس زانان یا relation is واریاہ مطلب respectful یا واریاہ distance وول مطلب closest.
Just for everybody, just the Kashmir family, it is in every family you have a different way of the way you are grown up in a family. So जैसे हमारी family तो हम महारा बोलते थे मेरे मतलब बड़े को, but it was not standard every family. It's okay. But what I'm saying, it also depends on who your elders are, how they speak to somebody, and then you get used to doing the same thing. It's something like that. Nothing disrespectful, nothing this thing. It is something that हमको आता है कि हमारे घर में जैसे अभी हम ये तो कश्मीरी की बात चल रही है, जैसे अभी हिंदी में भी बात करते हैं. अभी आप पंजाब में जाओ तो वो वहाँ कोई मतलब जिस तरीके से अपने माँ बाप से भी बात करते हैं, it will look very ugly to somebody who doesn't understand Punjabi. So that comes with love. It doesn't come with some aggression or disrespect. But that is how it is. Yeah, वही नहीं
जैसे महारा
श्रुति ने कुछ बोल लिखा है. श्रुति, you please explain. You wanted something.
जैसे उन्होंने कहा कि एल्डर्स के साथ नहीं यूज कर लाइक क्लोज वन के साथ, मतलब जो उनका पॉइंट था बेसिकली इट्स नॉट ट्रू बिकॉज मैं ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स को डेली जाके बोलती हूँ सुबह नमस्कार महारा. सो आई थिंक लाइक यू सेड इट्स डिपेंडेंट on how your family is like, or you have grown up the way they.
That's right. Nothing harsh. That is also not. This is also not too much polite, and something else is not too harsh also, because it depends on how you're bringing it. As I said, Punjabi. If somebody like me in Kashmir, and then he goes to Punjabi, my all cousins studied in Punjab, and if I say how they speak, then I would get offended. But that's how it is. It's okay. Somebody else was raising a point.
Kuldip ji, जैसे कि we use mahara for, is it like gender neutral or is it for?
Yeah, it is gender neutral. It is gender neutral.
Okay.
It is gender neutral. सीमा जी को मेरे को बोला तो क्यों हमारा बात है, it is perfectly all right. Or even if it's the same Umesh ji is number, Takyo Marabata, it is okay. Mahara is gender neutral.
Okay, sir.
Anybody else?
So,
Madhuji?
so how do you say stand up to an elder person? Like,
Thod Vakyu Mahara.
okay, thod
Vakyu.
vakyu. That you
Vakyu.
comes in.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
जैसे I said, what the Vakyu. जैसे
जी,
मैंने सीमा जी को बोला, पार्थ परियु.
जी, got
So,
it, got it.
so it's like that. It's little more respect with that.
जी, जी, thank you.
Welcome. Anybody else? Ashia is very quiet. No questions from her. Arshia?
मैं सुन रही हूँ, कुछ सुनने वाले लोग भी होने चाहिए माना।
नहीं हमको तो सबसे बुलवाना है, यहाँ सुनने की गान में, यहाँ तो कश्मीरी बोलनी है, वही नहीं मालूम, वही नहीं। Arshia?
जी,
If nothing, there is a screen is out. I want you to read something from it. You read something, but anything you're comfortable with. Now everything is okay. Tashutara sorry
जी,
picnic कुछ foreign
धीरे धीरे मतलब
जो
मैं पार्टली मैं मधु जी से जो मधु जी का पॉइंट था वो मैं अग्री कर रही हूँ मतलब बट मैं अब आई हैव गॉटन ओवर दैट ग्रामर वाला बिकॉज आई वाज आल्सो मतलब मेरा भी वही पॉइंट था विथ माय हस्बैंड के मुझे ग्रामर सिखाओ मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा काइंड ऑफ बट नाउ मैंने आई हैव गिवन अप ऑन मतलब नॉट गिवन अप इन दैट सेंस बट आई हैव gotten rid of
started.
that.
I understood. Yeah, I understood that.
And I've started,
Yeah, no
मतलब
problem.
I'm trying to, मतलब के वही sentences बोलना शुरू करें ताकि hopefully वो grammar समझ में आनी शुरू हो जाएगी.
Very good. Yes.
Grammar के लिए अर्षा से पे ही ना गन्यत words हेचिंग मतलब अगर मैं वो ये grammar correct वन कहनेस but ये अगर किसी ने समझी तमिस की क्या पे मतलब पे ही न फिक्री तेरे right? Like I said the sentence. Oh, am I?
Yeah, Umesh. Perfect.
नहीं
Basically,
because
जब हम बोलते
just Arshya's Chinawan.
Yes, sure.
She's my wife.
Oh, I didn't know that. Okay. So you are very good. You can talk to each other anytime. So it's very difficult.
But what I told her also is like you need to know some basics. मतलब जो आप रट लेते हो जैसे आप बचपन में नहीं करते आ से अनार आ से आम then you add grammar.
That is right, because unless we know basic words, we cannot construct a sentence, we cannot make sense of anything. So that's why vocabulary is important. Okay, Ajit, you wanted to say something.
Please, sir, फ और फ जैसे फल या फल तो
यहाँ पर कोई फल, हम सिर्फ फल ही बोलते हैं, फल ऐसा कुछ नहीं। जैसे ब हम खाली ब बोलते हैं, हम भ नहीं बोलते, हम ग बोलते हैं, हम घ नहीं बोलते। सो कश्मीरी में there is nothing, no emphasis on any particular letter. So b is simple b, not bh. G is simple g, not gh. So these are d is d, not a d. So these are very important things here to understand.
For it, sir, because I read it somewhere. एक जगह आपने बताया था शुरू में कि हम कहीं किसी चीज को फ बोलते थे फ की जगह, तो थोड़ा सा वहां मुझे कंफ्यूजन था कुछ. I have noted it down somewhere. एक जगह आपके लेसन में भी लिखा हुआ
वो ph there is a ph and f नहीं है वहाँ पे हिंदी में.
that is f. We don't use f, we use ph. In English, when we write in Roman, then we use ph. We don't use f. F is not used.
Okay.
And we say I want to use, मेरे को लिखना है.
Okay. Now I understood कि in Roman we write ph instead of f, whereas we call it as
f only. There is nothing different from this thing. But we do not use f in. This is one of the letters like X, like C. We do not use C. So there are some few words we do not use. Letters we do not use. Sorry, not. So that's what. Okay. Arshia, Vatsal.
Sir, Umesh ji has a.
Umesh ji, बोले मैंने.
इस फ छो F इच्छा ये words from Persian to Arabic use करanta थंदर तो गथान convert to
number
yeah it's
one thing very clear is that when you yelzan is lekhan ch kashur romanus means ashin f use kara ash ph use kara, so that's all it is, nothing
no
else.
bolness means bol ये bolan
Bolus means just simple fur. If there is a particular word which is मतलब कोई फारसी word है, so that it doesn't have an Kashmiri equivalent, then you can use that word, that's okay. But not like this. So like कैसे हम कश्मीर जैसे हम इंग्लिश कोई वर्ड बीच में डालेंगे, टीचर, अभी टीचर is not an English, is not a Kashmiri word, but there it is teacher, whatever it is, so the way you speak it. Okay, Vanshika, sorry, again I made a mistake. Vanshika,
हाँ जी
हाँ जी बेटा बताइए, आपने कुछ बोला ही नहीं आज।
नहीं I said
नहीं लेसन तो ठीक है, बाकी आपका कोई any query, anything?
no nothing as of now. मैं बस ये जो words और sentences हैं बस प्रैक्टिस कर रही हूँ ताकि वो pronunciation एक बार ठीक हो जाए, because मतलब pronunciation ठीक हो जाए तो फिर लिखने में भी आसानी हो जाती है, so बस practicing
I think अपूर्वा जी।
Yeah, actually, no questions because I missed the last 3 classes. But
doesn't matter. हाँ बोलिए
just one question is guts and khas. Khas is to climb.
Khas is to go. Khas means up. Go up.
Okay.
Go up. Khas. Go. Exact meaning in English is go up.
Okay. No other question.
Okay. Parul ji, you are getting ready for becoming teacher for next session.
हमारा MK रैना मास्टर जी कत मुश्किल, that's why I'm just trying that small stories, children's story, Little Red Hen.
Yeah. Actually, I am fond of his Shir birth. Actually, मैं एक शारदा में एक न्यूज़लेटर निकालता हूँ जिसका नाम मातृका है, तो उसमें मैं हमेशा एक न एक उनके एक ये तो पोइम डालता हूँ फिर करके, बहुत अच्छी रहती हैं, बहुत ही अच्छी हैं. इनफैक्ट you must go to that site mkraina.com. There's a lot of stuff there, lot of beautiful stuff there. You don't need any
stories. For me, it was getting very difficult.
No,
So I
story is
started
difficult. Start with small sentence. There are very good. In fact, there are some lessons जो हम पढ़ाते हैं ना यहाँ पर. These are all also there on that portal.
कुलदीप जी
Minimal.
साइट छा पकान क्या इसकी यलते बिचुस access करान ये छो हावान का मतलब ये खाली page, empty page ये वान.
No. You must be doing some mistake. It is
What
working.
is the website, sir? What is the
mkraina.com. mkraina.com.
ये तो कुछ और आता है.
नहीं एक काम करो, ये ईशान,
Can you share
can
it
you
on?
project? Am I host? I don't know.
मैंने लिंक डाला है, यही है ना, यही चुना ये लिंक जिसमें चैट पर तो रूम.
एक मिनट, let me see. नहीं आप HTTPS कर रहे हो. You don't do that. This is restricted ना. This is not open. You use www.mkraina.com.
Sorry, I think his domain has expired because
हाँ.
ये कभी recently हुआ है क्या? Recently कुछ हुआ?
I think so because I am also trying. So in the
Okay, just 1 minute. Just let me try here.
search page में it is showing the blurb and
Yeah,
all.
that's what I was saying. Yeah, that's what. Yeah.
Expire हो गया है.
I was trying my books download.
Yeah. Okay. No problem. I will talk to him. He is not keeping good health. I still communicate with him once in a while. So I will talk to him because his website, because he is not keeping good health, तो उनकी website उनके बेटे operate करते हैं. So I will talk to him. Must be something. Maybe he's uploading something or something. Maybe that's the place.
But अगर access Karun, you can access using archive.org.
Hey, archive.org is a different thing, but MK Raina
नहीं वहाँ
पर
पे
भी
तच्छु
MC के
मतलब
बारे
since Raina ji इंचुना website start करमस
हाँ तात्मस
since that day sorry मतलब तहे क्यों access मतलब यो टाइम कैसे ठीक
archive.org इवन उसके यूट्यूब्स में आप यूट्यूब चैनल में जाए महाराज कृष्ण रहना यूट्यूब में भी जा सकते हो आप वहां पर आप देख सकते हो
मैंने लिंक पोस्ट कर दिया है if anyone wants to access them
yeah sure yeah that is also but if anybody needs anything just tell me I will anyway talk to him so we'll see how okay with that I think we should call it a day Seema ji anything I'll go once again anything Chumara kya wanu Seema ji
Namara, I'm good. Thank you.
Okay, Vani ji.
Nothing to say.
Nothing. Okay. Parul ji.
मुझे शुक्रगुजार
ये जो है ना word this is again used sometimes but as I said कश्मीरी में हम किसी को thank you नहीं बोलते शुक्रिया बोलते हैं शुक्रिया is a word adopted but generally we give blessings to in return okay Umesh ji
Vani ji has it.
Yeah, how to say that to an older person then if you because blessing generally you would give to a young
then that is okay generally tell you frankly it just fold hands actually
I can say something.
Huh?
I want to say something.
Yeah, sure,
This is what I tell everybody who comes to my house. Orzu, Dorkot, Aibat, Mante Yazat.
So this is he basically. So as I said, we generally do that, but जैसे वानी आपने बताया generally हमारे वो thank you वाला फंडा है ही नहीं कश्मीरी में. Generally we give respect or and bless people if they're younger than us. Okay, Ajit ji, Murkesh ji.
Nothing,
Anything?
Masterji.
Okay, great. अजीत जी एंड मुरकेश जी दोनों ने मेरे को बताया कि लास्ट 2 लेसन नहीं हुए हैं and again my sincere request do it today and if you have any difficulty please communicate with me or Kusum ji or anybody so that we can help. Madhu ji.
नहीं thank you Mara, thank you for everything.
Ishan.
Nothing so far sir. बढ़िया चल रहा है सर.
चलो आए तो बात.
Thank you,
You
sir.
did a
Thank
wonderful session today. God bless you. Vatsal, Divya. I think they're offline. Vanshika.
हाँ जी नहीं कुछ नहीं थैंक यू
Plaska, Laksha.
मुझे कुछ नहीं सब कुछ समझ आ गया
आ गया very good. Shruti. Shruti, I think is not there. Okay, namaskar everybody. Let's meet next Saturday. God bless everybody. Orzu Sairni, Dorkut Sairni.
Namaskar Mara. Thank you.
I saved the lesson.
Thank you sir.
Bye.